Live versus artificial plants. What's better? You've probably seen lots of live and artificial plants in big box stores like IKEA. Maybe you even purchased some of them. But what's actually better? Let's find out in this video. Here it is. Sadie's Space! Well, it just depends on your opinion. Of course, artificial plants are great because they don't need watering or any other care, making them a great option for lazy plant parents, especially if they look real. But if you're the kind of person that enjoys taking care of plants, live plants are the way to go. Of course, as expected, like with everything in life, there's advantages and disadvantages of both. Okay, so what's better? Well, in my opinion, both live and artificial plants are great to own in your home. It really just depends on what you want. If you want a natural feel and you also don't mind to take care of them, live plants are great. But if you're a bit more lazy and don't have much time, artificial plants are a good choice. But what if you like real plants, but you really don't want to take care of them? Well, there's no mythical plant out there that doesn't need any care. But there are lots of live, common, and inexpensive plants that are impossible to kill unless you really try. If you're curious about this, check out my video on top 10 houseplants that are impossible to kill after this. It's a great video, and this way I can help it get more views. I'll leave a link for it down below, so definitely watch it. So, in summary, both live and artificial plants are great. It really depends on what you want to achieve with your plant care journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you make your decision on live or artificial plants. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing plant videos. As always, I'm Sadie, and this is my space. Bye!